Samsung Galaxy watches, including recent models like the Galaxy Watch 6, use accelerometers and gyroscopes to track steps. These sensors detect motion patterns to count walking or running. The accelerometer measures acceleration in three directions, detecting changes in speed and direction. The gyroscope tracks rotational movement, helping distinguish actual steps from other motions. Inaccuracy arises from overcounting non-walking movements, such as driving or fidgeting. The sensors may mistake these motions for steps. It can also undercount during fast-paced walks, especially on uneven terrain where the motion patterns differ from normal walking. This is a common issue discussed in online forums, where users share their experiences with step tracking problems. As of early 2026, software updates have improved accuracy by refining the algorithms, but it still varies depending on individual habits and environments. Samsung rolled out Wear OS 5 updates in 2025 that refined step detection using machine learning. These updates include enhanced sensor fusion, integrating GPS and barometric sensors for better context-aware tracking. AI-driven calibration automatically adjusts based on user data to recognize individual gait patterns. Bug fixes address issues like double counting steps during treadmill use. If your watch is pre-2024, it may not have these improvements. Galaxy watches use algorithms to filter out non-step motions based on thresholds for step length and cadence, calibrated to an average adult stride. Accuracy is affected by your weight, height, activity type, and how the watch is worn. Wrist-based tracking struggles with low-impact activities like swimming. Manually calibrating your watch with your height, weight, and stride length in Samsung Health can improve accuracy. Open the Samsung Health app on your connected smartphone. Find the Steps tracking feature, usually located on the main dashboard. Within the Steps section, look for calibration or settings options. Enter your accurate height, weight, and consider taking a guided walk or run to calibrate your stride length for the most accurate results. Saving and syncing the information with your watch will improve results after this calibration. A simple fix for glitches is resetting the pedometer. Go to Settings on your watch. Navigate to Apps. Select Samsung Health. Go to Storage. Select Clear Data. This will reset the step counter and calibration data. After clearing the data, restart your watch. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted data or software bugs affecting step counting. Make sure to recalibrate after the reset. The future of step tracking on Galaxy watches lies in artificial intelligence, which adapts to individual user behaviors for unprecedented accuracy. AI algorithms learn from your walking patterns, reducing errors by recognizing your unique gait and movement style. Industry forecasts predict wearable devices will achieve 99% step counting accuracy by 2030, thanks to advanced AI and machine learning. Future step tracking will integrate with your entire Galaxy ecosystem, including Galaxy Buds for audio cues during workouts and real-time corrections. Upcoming Galaxy watches will feature quantum sensors and seamless syncing across all your devices for consistent tracking throughout the day. However, constant AI processing can drain battery life, as the algorithms require significant computational power. Samsung is addressing this with more efficient chips, like the Exynos W1000, which optimize power usage while maintaining AI performance. Your privacy is protected through anonymized data collection for AI training, ensuring personal information remains secure. Experts emphasize that while updates are helpful, user education is crucial. Algorithms aren't perfect. While watches are generally accurate for basic walking, they can struggle in complex scenarios. User surveys show improved satisfaction with step counting after updates, but some still prefer third-party apps for customization. If step tracking is essential to you, consider using the watch along with other methods, such as manual counting, for important metrics. To keep your Galaxy Watch step counter accurate, regularly update the software through the Galaxy Wearable app. These updates include important fixes and improvements to the tracking algorithms. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone, navigate to your watch settings, and check for available updates. Install any pending firmware updates to ensure your device has the latest step tracking enhancements. Visit Samsung's official support pages for detailed guides on step counter issues and the latest fixes specific to your watch model. These resources often include troubleshooting tips and known bug resolutions. Check community forums like Samsung Community or Reddit for user experiences and additional tips. Other Galaxy Watch owners often share solutions that work for specific scenarios and activity types. Look at accuracy benchmarks from tech reviews on sites like PCMag or iTrip Studies. These comparisons show how Galaxy Watch step tracking performs against other devices, with current benchmarks indicating around 92% precision in standard conditions. Stay informed about upcoming algorithm updates and new features like AI-driven improvements and sensor fusion that can enhance step tracking performance. These developments promise even better accuracy in the future. By staying current with updates and resources, you can maximize your Galaxy Watch's step tracking accuracy and enjoy its full potential for fitness monitoring.